ever-evolving landscapes of urban mobility, e-bikes have emerged as a promising solution, offering sustainable and efficient mode of transportation for millions around the world. Hello everyone, this is Prachi Tiwari for SME Futures, and today we are going to talk to industrial experts and understand the ground reality of e-bike industry. As the e-bike industry gains momentum, it faces a myriad of challenges and opportunities on the path to revolutionizing urban commuting.
The industry is basically dominated by Italian or Chinese players. Italian machines are very expensive, very high quality, and Chinese machines were supposed to be more price competitive, but when people got them into India, they often were sitting on the side because you couldn't find the spare parts on time.
मार्केट के अंदर क्या है, लो स्पीड सेगमेंट के अंदर मोस्टली चाइना मटेरियल आ रहा है और कस्टमर्स को अभी कुछ भी नहीं पता है कि क्या व्हाट इज क्वालिटी, क्या है प्रोडक्ट की ड्यूरेबिलिटी कितनी है। सिर्फ प्राइस कॉन्शियस मार्केट हो गई।
मार्केट सिनेरियो जो है वो डिफरेंट स्टेट के अकॉर्डिंग डिपेंड करता है कि मार्केट डिमांड क्या करती है, क्या नहीं करती है। बट हमारा एम है घर घर में तो टू व्हीलर हो बट क्वालिटी के साथ हो।
New technology is coming and the swapping technology is also coming, where you can go and you can swap your battery in a second. Just go, give the discharged one, buy the new one, charged one, and put it and just go in the vehicle.
E-bike industry was growing at around 34-35% in the last 2 years. Recently it has taken a dip, and in my opinion, the way I have seen it, it's because of the product quality.
ईवी में आप कितनी कंपनियां हैं आप सोच नहीं सकते। केवल नोएडा में 250 से ज़्यादा कंपनियां नोएडा में हैं। पूरे भारत में ईवी टू व्हीलर मैन्युफैक्चरर्स 1248 हैं। ईवी आए उसका रिसाइकलिंग पे भी हो, रेट्रोफिटिंग पे भी काम हो, तो ये सब चीज़ें इन्वॉल्व हो तो इसे और बेहतर बनाया जाए।
However, amidst the excitement, the industry faces several challenges, including infrastructure limitations, regulatory hurdles, and consumer perceptions.
The biggest issue, in my opinion, is that there is not a vertical in the Indian market. Even for motors, we had to specially pay the manufacturers to do R&D to make a specific type of motor.
EV in general is the overall infrastructure. We are still dependent on China per se for basic raw material like the motor and the controller. The quality of the controller as of now is not at par with what we can get from China.
EV का जो करंट सिनेरियो है, अभी जो स्कूटर और बाइक्स और साइकिल्स में अभी वो स्ट्रगलिंग में होते हैं, क्योंकि कस्टमर जो है वो चूज़ ही नहीं कर पाता कि मुझे, क्योंकि एक्सपेंसिव है अभी।
प्राइस चैलेंजेस हैं, क्वालिटी चैलेंजेस हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत ईगरली डेवलप हो रही है, बहुत ईगरली चेंज हो रही है।
One of the biggest challenge, if I talk about community, is the roads. There are no space for riders. Safety is the biggest concern with most of the riders, especially in Delhi or in any Tier 1 cities.
Regulatory frameworks vary across regions, posing challenges for manufacturers and consumers alike. Clear and standardized regulations are essential to foster industry growth and ensure safety.
So in our segment, there is a continued interest by the government to employ these machines. Thus far, they've been being imported from China, and the number of imports has been growing steadily.
गवर्नमेंट एक तो सब्सिडी अच्छी दे अभी ईवी को प्रमोट करने के लिए, उसके बाद जो मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं उनको नई अपना डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए अच्छे उनको प्रोत्साहन देने चाहिए, ताकि टाइम टू टाइम वो एक जैसे एग्जीबिशंस हैं या अपने सेंटर्स हैं वहाँ पे इनको तैयारी के साथ नई नई चीज़ें ला के उनको दिखाना चाहिए।
कि हम गवर्नमेंट से मैं इतनी गुजारिश करूँगा कि हम इतनी हेल्पफुल है हमारी गवर्नमेंट, तो थोड़ा सा और ऐसा कदम उठाएं ताकि हम जैसे मैन्युफैक्चरर हम इंडियन मार्केट से ही परचेज़ करें, तो डिपेंड ना रहे कि हम चाइना जाएं।
So from the government, we are expecting that more and more charging stations should be installed in the apartments, you know, at the petrol stations. At least for all Indian Oil petrol pumps, the government should support and install the charging station. So just like every kilometer you find a petrol station, you should always have a charging station. Then the sales will increase.
Despite these challenges, the future of the e-bike industry looks bright. The vision is clear to create vibrant, sustainable cities where e-bikes are preferred mode of transportation, reducing congestion, improving air quality, and enhancing the quality of life for all. Don't miss out on the journey. Follow us for more insights and updates on the e-bike industry.